Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 158 of Building the DeLorean from Back to the Future. What is probably the last issue. I'm not entirely certain, but I'm fairly sure. So this is it. This is the final part of the build. We've got the final wheel, which we build up exactly the same as we did on the other one, and then it tells us how to change the wheels, which I will do. And get it all up and running on the track that we've built up, and get some pictures of it like that. I will in fact change it all over. I'll change over the reactor to make it the proper movie accurate version of that, and then I'll change it up. I'll do some more. I'll do another video. There will be one more video of the car in all its glory, in all of its formats as well. I'll change it up and make it look how it looks. In praise of the DeLorean, you've completed your superb model. So yes, this is it, finally done. Are you telling me about a time machine out of a DeLorean? Yeah, there we go. So yeah, it's basically a look back at the build so far, the build complete. Looking at the future, it's not written yet. Final thoughts from the Time Traveler's Guide on the enduring appeal of Back to the Future. I have in fact just watched the trilogy again. I've finished the 3 of them, and yes, it is a very, very good classic movie series. It fits together nicely. It all goes well. There are things that aren't perfect, but it's fine. So next issue is your DeLorean car cover. I'm not sure if that's actually a thing or not, because obviously this with Eagle Moss and Fanhome and everything, it's not quite cut and dried. So we shall find out. Look out for your rating car cover in next and final issue. Protective car cover, allowing you to showcase your model for years to come. I think the base was a premium thing, which I haven't got. But whether there is a cover for it or not, I don't know. Would you want to put a cover on it anyway? I don't think I would, because you want to show off the model itself rather than that. Although the complete guide would be quite good. 96-page edition. Complete assembly guide. That's interesting. That just puts all the step-by-step build parts in one. Interesting. I've already got all the magazines, except for I think one issue was misprinted, like the 5th issue or something. Was a bit strange, but so that is that. Let's put this away. Let's get this wheel built, and then we'll see about putting the wheels on it. So the parts in this issue exactly the same as the previous ones. That goes on there and locates in place with 1 pin, and 2 screws will hold it in place. These are 8M screws, which I'll get 2 out from there. I'll get that holding that together. Come on. No, you want to. I think I need a smaller screwdriver for that. These are particularly small screws for these bits. So that one there, and that one there. Now, also supplied in this pack, we have the covers and the washers that will hold these in place, and also we have some more screws. These are the what have we got? TM screws, which will be required to hold the wheels in place. So that is that. The build is now complete, except for putting these wheels on. So I shall get the wheels on, and then we'll see what it looks like complete. And here we have the final version, Back to the Future Part 3, with the box, illumination all working, headlights and flux bars working as well as they can. Obviously the wheels on the tracks, all illuminated inside and looking pretty lovely. All in all, I'm very happy with the build. It's nice. I won't be having the lights on very much because, frankly speaking, they're not ideal. I could go back and do the better illuminations on the EL thing, but I'm not going to at the moment anyway. But there we have Back to the Future part 3. As I said, I'm going to do another quick video of the various variations that you can have. But for now, this is the build completed. So do let me know what you think, and I shall see you for more of this and more other things very, very soon. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.